Single mobile arm safely and easily attaches to cribs. Large rubber pads grip the crib railing and protect your crib from scratches and damage. Works best with straight and angled crib railings. Attaches to crib railings with clamp opening to 2 wide. Assembled height is 18. Convenient safety button unlocks the clamp in position. Thoughtfully designed and manufactured by J.L. Childress, delivering high-quality products that are practical and multifunctional for over 30 years. Caution. Adult use only, not a toy. Remove mobile from crib when baby begins to push up on hands and knees. Do not hang mobile directly over baby or within baby's reach. Clamp is not for use on round or soft rails. Crib mobile attachment clamp. Our crib mobile attachment clamp safely attaches mobiles to your baby's crib. Thoughtfully designed and manufactured by J.L. Childress, delivering high-quality products that are practical and multifunctional for over 30 years. Top reviews from the United States. Glad I read review before buying. The review explaining that it had no open loop was helpful, so I prepared to find another loop or something to attach my mobile to. When I got it in the mail, I loved how compact it was, and also that it clamped safely to the side of the crib without scratching the finish, unlike our old one, which has a missing piece, which is why I bought this one. Our old one had to be screwed on, and I was always a little worried about the finish being messed up. It's not as secure as I would like, even though our crib side is completely flat. The grip is a little loose, but it's secure enough for the age group. It is recommended for 0 to 5 months. I ended up just using some stiff ribbon I had in some newborn items, and I think it will be sturdy enough. I would recommend this product to other parents.